Happy Monday! I hope you had a lovely weekend and were able to take a break from all your hard work that you've been doing. Speaking of hard work, I have loved seeing all the brilliant work that's been sent to us over the past few days, whether that's on the email or the Swingate Twitter. I've picked a few to share with you today, and if yours isn't one of them, then keep an eye on the next few videos as I've got a few more to share in the next couple of days as well. The first one comes from Jessica in Miss Friday's class. Now Jessica has made a beautiful rainforest collage scene, and I just love how you can tell the detail that she's used on the monkey, screwing up what looks like little bits of tissue paper, lots and lots of tiny little bits that's made up her monkey. That must have taken a lot of hard work and a lot of time, so well done Jessica. The next one comes from Lucy in my class, who has done a rainforest poem, and it's beautifully presented. She's done some rainforest drawings at the bottom, and I love how she's made her poem rhyme. I'll just read out the first verse to you. She said, "I love the view of the dazzling rainforest, so vivid, lush and green. When I look at all the amazing colours, it's the most beautiful sight I have ever seen." So well done Lucy, because that can be quite tricky to make a poem rhyme, especially when you're writing about something so specific as the rainforest. I just wanted to give a special mention as well to Lily and Ben, both from Miss Friday's class, who have sent us some videos of their science experiments that they've done and have done some amazing and quite entertaining dancing stick people. And I also wanted to mention Jack from Mrs. Teague's class, who has sent us loads of things that he's been doing. He's been doing his TT Rock Stars, he's been practicing his maths and doing some drawings as well, so well done to Jack. Okay, on with today's maths. Okay, Monday's arithmetic. The first question is 804, take away 379. So we can do that in the formal written method. We can't do 4 take away 9, and we also can't exchange from our tens column. So we need to go into the hundredths column, put that into a 7, then put that 100 that we've taken into the tens column. We still can't do 4 take away 9, so now we need to exchange from the 10, turn that 10 into a 9, put the 1 in that 10 into the ones column, and 14 take away 9 is 5, 9 take away 7 is 2, 7 take away 3 is 4, so the answer is 425. Okay, the next one, 834 divided by 3, we can do using bus stop. So 834 divided by 3, 3 goes into 8 twice, remainder 2, 3 goes into 23 7 times, because 7 times 3 is 21, so that's remainder 2 as well, and then 3 divides equally into 24 8 times, so the answer is 278. And the last one, 480 divided by 4, well hopefully we know that 48 divided by 4 equals 12, so 480 divided by 4 must be 120. Okay, on to our reasoning questions now. So this one says a square with 7 centimetre sides is cut out of a grey rectangle. Now it's significant that this is a square because what we know about squares is that all sides are the same. So this side is also 7 centimetres, so is this side and this side as well. Then it's asking you what is the area of the grey shape that is left. So to do that we're going to need to find the area of both the square and the rectangle, and then to find out what shape is left, what area of the shape is left, we would take away the area of the square from the area of the rectangle. So first let's find out the area of the square, and to do that we multiply 7 by 7, so 7 times 7 equals 49. So the square is 49 centimetres squared. The same concept applies with the rectangle. We need to multiply 9 by 12, which equals 108. So the rectangle is 108 centimetres squared. Then we need to find out the difference between 108 and 49. So 108 take away 49. Well, we can't do 8 take away 9. We also can't exchange from our tens column. So we go to the hundreds. We still can't do 8 take away 9. So we exchange from our 10s, that becomes a 9. 18 take away 9 is 9. 9 take away 4 is 5. So the area that is left of the rectangle is 59 centimetres squared. This next question is dealing with coordinates, and it says here is a shaded rectangle, write the coordinates for point B. Well, what we know is our first rule, which is along the corridor and up the stairs. So if we look at point C first, we've gone along 12 and up 4. So we know that this here is 12 and this here must be 4. We also know that point A, if we look at point A, has gone along 3, so this here must be 3, and up 11. So if we're looking at point B has gone along 12 and up 11. So point B is 12, 11. If we were to look at point D, it would be along 3 and up 4. But it's not asking us for D, it's only asking for B. The next question is asking us to circle two fractions that are less than 1/2. Now if we look at our denominators, we've got 5/8, 4/10, 2/8 and 7/10. So we've got 8 and 10 as our denominators. Now the easiest way to do this question would be to divide those denominators by 2, because a half, when you're halving something, you're dividing it by 2. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Now we're looking for the numerators that are less than 4/8 and less than 5/10. So 5/8 we're not going to circle because that is more than 4/8. 4/10 is less than 5/10, so we're going to circle that one. 2/8 is less than 4/8, so we're going to circle that one. But 7/10 is more than 5/10, so we're going to leave that one blank. Next question. Here is part of a number sequence. The numbers increase by the same amount each time. So we've got 425, 430, 435, 440, 445. So straight away we can see that they are increasing by 5 each time. Meaning that these numbers, so it's saying circle all of the numbers that would appear in the sequence. So we know that the numbers that are going to appear in the sequence would be multiples of 5, and multiples of 5 end in 0 and 5. So we're looking for the numbers that end in 0 and 5. So we've got 750, 815, and 1005. Those are all of our multiples of 5 in that sequence. And the final question for today, here is part of a number line. Write the two missing numbers in the boxes. So we've got labelled 740 and 760, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 points between 740 and 760. So this is increased by 20. And that suggests, because there's 4 points between them, that they go up in groups of 5. So this would be 745, this would be 750, this would be 755, and we've got 760. So we'll do the second one first because we can easily count on in 5. So we've got 765, 770, and then counting back in 5s from 740, 735, 730, 725. So those were the answers for Monday. Do carry on keeping in touch with us, whether that's on the Year 5 email or on the Swingate Twitter account, as we really do love hearing from you and all the things you're getting up to. That's all from me today. I shall see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.